This video is about sketching an ellipse given the equation of an ellipse in standard form. Here's an example of an ellipse equation in standard form. X plus 3 squared over 25 plus parentheses y minus 1 squared over 9 equals 1. Now notice this is in the form of an equation x minus h squared over r sub x squared plus y minus k squared over r sub y squared equals 1. Ellipse equations have an x squared term plus a y squared term equal 1. Now the other features, h and k, are the x and y coordinates of the center, and the denominator of the first term, 25, that relates to something called the x radius, and the term divided by 9, the 9 relates to the y radius. So let's figure out those specific features for this equation. The center, the standard form says x minus h, but in comparison to the equation we're working on, it says x plus 3. That means the x coordinate of the center is negative 3. Y minus 1 in comparison to y minus k, you can tell that the y coordinate of the center is 1. Now, looking at the denominator 25, you realize that the x radius is 5, and looking at the denominator 9, you realize that the y radius is 3. So let's go ahead and create the sketch. Finding the center at negative 3, 1. That's the center. Now the meaning of the x radius 5 means you go from the center 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the left. The y radius being 3, you go parallel to the y-axis upward by 3, and from the center downward also by 3. These 4 marks are the vertices of the ellipse, and you can just draw it in.